Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to change your brakes on your Ford Edge. This is for years between 2010 and 2014. This will also be sufficient for the Lincoln MKX in between those years. And this is just front brakes only, so we're going to replace the pads and the rotors. So here we go.
Shining turd.
So we got to take off these 2 bolts back here, this one and this one. They're 17 millimeter. So this one still has grease on it. We're gonna have to re-grease this one. We'll actually add some extra grease to this one as well. Just hang your caliper out of the way. Just make sure not to put too much tension on this hose. Since we're changing out the rotors, these guys, we're gonna have to take out these 2 19 millimeter bolts that hold on this bracket so we can get the rotor off. Swap out these pads. The rotor's cleaned off. We got all that extra oil off of it when they ship it. We're gonna go ahead and reinstall these guys. There's 2 different size slide pins. This one goes on the bottom, this one goes on the top. So we're gonna re-grease these and then put them back in. So the smaller one goes down here and the bigger one goes right back here. So we're gonna use this for the slide pins. It is very important to grease these back up before you put them in, because that's what your caliper actually slides back and forth on. I hope that helped. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you want. I'd appreciate it. It helps me out. I will have more videos on the Datsun coming up this weekend, so peace.